my peaches, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to be comparing three perfumes that are pretty similar to each other to help you decide which one you want and whether you want them or not. So for that, I have three perfumes and I was, personally thinking that before you get down into the comment section asking me about the differences, because it gets really difficult to explain everything in a comment. So that's why I thought I will talk about Powdery Magnolia and I'll compare Nia to it, and I will in addition talk about Nude from Skin Titan because the reason is these three are similar but there is still difference between them. So with that thought, let's get into this video. But before digging in, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to be a part of the Peach Pack and tap on the notification bell icon to get notified every time I upload. I'm also super duper active on Instagram and I share about my personal life over there, so follow me on Instagram to connect better with me. Alright, so starting off with Powdery Magnolia. Powdery Magnolia is a super classy rose magnolia and powdery in the dry down fragrance. It has the powder in the dry down and it has magnolia that is giving it sweetness and rose that is giving it a lot of delicacy and a lot of classiness and elegance to it, and that added that strong powderiness. It has a heavy powderiness going on. Don't confuse it with a heavy fragrance. It just has a heavy powderiness, which makes it a very, let me simplify it, okay? If you get a talcum powder in a rose fragrance, that is what it would smell like. So this is that, and it's very, very classy. It's a very bridal fragrance for me. It's a very put together woman fragrance, very classy woman, very matured woman, like not like old or grandmother, not like that. It definitely has the vintage feel, but not like the incensey vintage. It is more like the put together woman, in heels and nails done and everything. So that kind of fragrance, and it's really beautiful. And I am so sad that so many of you wanted this, and even after not being a floral fragrance lover, I personally love it a lot. Whenever I come across a floral dominating fragrance, I do not fall for it quickly. It has to be very, I don't know, there has to be something different about it that has to make me fall for it. But I am always up for fruity, woodies, muskies and sweet fragrances, and this is probably taking my heart because of that powderiness, because I love when perfumes dry down to be powdery, and I love it when they have a sweetness to it. So probably that rose with sweet and powderiness is really working for me in this one. Moving on to Nia from Ajmal. When I smelled Nia, I was like, this is so much like Powdery Magnolia. It has the notes of lychee, rose, and also has muskiness in the dry down. It also has a slight bit, not that much of a powderiness, but a very slight bit powderiness later in the dry down. But it's mostly sweet, rose, and musky, and kind of fresh. All of these fragrances are fresh. There is nothing like that they're not fresh. They're all fresh fragrances, and this one is like a lighter version of Powdery Magnolia. And I also feel that Powdery Magnolia projects so much more. Like longevity is almost the same, but Powdery Magnolia projects so much more because of that heavy powderiness in it, and it's really out there. People can smell you from a distance when you put on Powdery Magnolia, if at all. It gets available on Zara, or you find it in stores. Get your hands on it or try it, and if not, then Nia is not a bad option. This is just a slight bit lighter version of Zara Powdery Magnolia, and it's not as powdery, it's not as heavy. Like it feels a little heavy in comparison to this because of that powderiness, but this is much more like a lighter version of Powdery Magnolia. But yes, very much in the same vein, not a dupe, but very much in the same vein, very close to each other these are. And if you are not a regular user of powdery magnolia, you can easily confuse this one with that one. With that thought, let's move on to Nude from Skin Titan. So this is also a sweet rose fragrance. It has the lychee in top, rose in the mid, and has muskiness in the dry down. But let me tell you, this is a very different fragrance from these two. This also is a rose fragrance, but for some reason this has that juiciness of lychee in it. Like those, they turn powdery, but the powderiness has nothing to do with Nude from Skin Titan. This is a juicy rose fragrance. If I explain it the right way, this is rose petals or rose fragrance coming out of a lychee juice. This is what it is. It is a super juicy, sweet rose fragrance. Very delicate, very nice, very beautiful. And now let me compare the situations with these. For me, Nude is the dating time fragrance. Nude is the fragrance that you're exploring things. You're in the dating period and you are meeting people. This is going to be a very beautiful, either meeting your boyfriend or just you're dating people, and this is a safe option, a very pleasant option that you will get compliments on for sure. This is projective, this is long lasting, there is absolutely no problem with that. On a budget, this is such a beautiful dating fragrance or a casual date kind of fragrance. Very, very beautiful for that. On the other hand, Nia is like, I'm done dating. Now things are a little clear in my head and I know what to do now. I'm getting hold of what to do and I'm getting hold of things and things are getting clearer. Like still fun and still in a light mood, but I'm getting a little mature now. I'm growing up a little now. So Nia is that. But powdery magnolia is like, I know my things, I know what to do, I know how things goes, and I have a clear idea of what I want to do. I am mature now. It's just give me that mature and classy, elegant woman who knows what to do kind of vibe. But still at the same time, all these three fragrances are very, very feminine. The longevity on them is kind of similar. They have the similar longevity, and I think the most long lasting among them would be, I haven't tested out Nia that much, so I can't talk much about this because I'm putting this in a giveaway, you know. So the thing is that this one is long lasting and this is super long lasting and super projective for sure. But Nia, I feel that is long lasting but is not projective, is not as projective as Nude or Powdery Magnolia. And I think I don't have anything else to talk about these fragrances. And if you liked this differentiation video, do let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video and liked it, don't forget to leave a big fat thumbs up. Also let me know which is your personal favorite pick from all these three. Don't forget to subscribe to Be My Peaches. Till then, keep looking beautiful, keep smelling good, and have a great day all. Bye bye. Mwah.